You can perform quota planning to set and analyze data-driven intelligent sales quotas using best practice methodologies such as top-down and bottom-up. You must be an administrator to enable and configure applications. Here's the sales planning application that I created. On the configure page, I'll enable the features I want to use for quota planning. I'll be planning by territory, account, and product. I'll set the unit of measure to amount and enable overlay targets, seasonality, and padding. To allocate target quota starting at the highest level for the entire hierarchy as well as the lowest level, I'll select waterfall and bottom up as the planning methodologies. I'll select predictive planning so I can predict future target quota based on historical data. And I'll also add custom dimensions to my application. After enabling the features, I'll complete the configuration by importing dimensions, loading historical data, setting user and substitution variables, processing historical actuals, and configuring components such as seasonality. I can import metadata for multiple components at the same time on the application overview page. I'll import members for the territory, accounts, product, and sales channel dimensions. You can choose to automatically refresh the database if the import is successful. View the status of the import and refresh database processes in jobs. Next, I'll import historical actual data to form a foundation for future sales plans. I'll import a comma delimited file in planning format. I'll verify that the data loads completed successfully in jobs. Next, set the user variables that drive the context of the dashboards, forms, and calculations. Now, I'll run the process actuals rule to aggregate the historical data across the hierarchy and make it available for target setting and predictive planning. I can choose to allow the subordinate in the hierarchy to override the allocated target quota from their manager. I'll keep the default selection, No. I can set seasonality for the upcoming year for all territories. Territory managers can change the seasonality settings for their own territories. Now that the application is configured, sales managers can begin setting quota targets. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.